Everything had been working perfectly. Then right in the middle of a job while probing, my BTT TFT35 screen suddenly went blank. No display, no beeps, nothing. When the machine froze, my first thought was that the screen had just lost connection. I checked the TFT35 cable, but then I noticed the MCU power LED on the Octopus board was completely off, even though the motor and bed power LEDs were still on. At that point, I started checking power. The 24-volt supply was fine, fuses looked good, and I even tried powering the board via USB, but still no response from the MCU. And since the board stopped working right in the middle of a job, it clearly wasn't a firmware or bootloader issue, which is the usual suspect in cases like this. Since the MCU isn't powering up, our next move is to check whether it's actually getting power.